How to make two Telegram accounts with same number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can create two Telegram accounts using the same phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a Telegram account with a particular number, so let's say I have a certain number over here and you already have a Telegram account with this number, but you also want to create another Telegram account, you don't have another number. Can you do that? Well, yes and no. You can create another Telegram account using the same phone number as long as the current account is deleted. So as long as it is deleted, it means that the account doesn't exist. So you can always create a new account using the same phone number. But if that account is active and this account would also be active, in that case you can't create multiple Telegram accounts using the same phone number. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.